Today I got a monkey video for y'all. It's currently 12:13 p.m. To be honest, I'm not gonna be on here too long, so I just thought I'd make a quick video for y'all. I'm starting to notice something and I'm getting more comfortable on camera and shit. So I'm gonna start showing y'all myself, I guess. But other than that, let's just get to it. Yo.
Hi. How old are you?
Hmm?
How old are you?
I just turned 18 yesterday.
Oh,
Ow.
No!
Don't get
bro, I'm not a daddy anyway.
22 from Kezzo. What's going on, Kezzo?
What y'all got going for?
But
Can you hear me?
your mic is kind of quiet.
See what y'all got going.
Oh, we just chilling.
Y'all looking for bitches?
Where you from?
Nashville,
Nashville. Where's that?
Tennessee.
Tennessee, bro. Tennessee.
Mm-hmm.
Tennessee. I feel like that's like a racist country. Maybe I'm bugging.
What made you?
Oh. Bad bitch.
Yo.
Yeah, I just put a bad bitch on you, bro.
What was her name?
I just put a bad. Huh?
What was her name?
Delana.
Delana.
Yeah, Delana.
Call her right now.
She from Nebraska.
Call her right now.
I don't want to call her, but I got her number. I promise you.
Text her. See what she said.
I already did.
You already did.
Yeah.
She didn't respond?
Yeah, she responded.
What she said?
She said my heart.
That was it?
Nah, I literally just got off the thing where, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's not like it's been like 20 minutes or something. You know what I'm
Text her again.
saying? Yeah. I didn't text her back.
Text her right now. You gotta make sure she's not still on this bitch talking to other niggas, bro. You know?
Yeah. I'm gonna make sure she don't
You fraud?
be tripping. Yeah.
Man,
I was thinking about calling my ex too, bro. I should call my ex.
call her.
Call for this bitch. She talking about she got a man.
Me personally, I go shoot her grandma crib, but for no reason.
Yeah, I should go shoot at that bitch house, bro. She was dead, bro.
You really should.
And my other ex too. That bitch she get the shit too. She ain't tired of these hoes like him, bro. I still gotta, you know what I'm saying? Still gotta hit me a bunny or something, man.
I got my right hand.
Oh.
That nigga was weird. Wait. Wait, see, bomb my gun. Yo.
That's going on like the way you were gonna price it like 50K. Whatever. You use the price to get another yeah, nigga gone is like
Okay.
Yo. What the fuck was he doing?
No. Where the hoes at, bro?
I don't know. Niggas be on here just, you know. I don't want to say it because, you know, children.
Already know. Children.
Yeah, children. Oh, your grandma and daddy.
yeah, bro.
What you say, bro?
You know you gay. You look like Jay from Corn.
Who the fuck is cool? Yo.
How you doing?
I'm alright. How y'all night been?
Chilling, drinking, type shit. How you doing?
I'm alright. Just so y'all know I'm recording, but I got one question.
Answer.
You got an answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all don't mind me asking if y'all gay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, my bad. My bad. Anyways,
We didn't say you fine.
And we not dating, so what's next?
okay. If your boyfriend and your dad switch bodies and all y'all had to do was fuck one of them to get them back, which one of y'all fucking?
Wait, if our boyfriend or our dad's was what?
Switch bodies and the only way to get them back was to fuck one of them. Who are y'all fucking?
Them both of them niggas dead. On my soul. What you talking about?
I ain't fucking my
I
dad.
ain't even got time for the type of confusion. I ain't even that serious.
I love my dad, but I'll die.
The whole time. What you talking about? I'm sorry. No.
I ain't fucking my dad.
That shit dead as hell.
Yo,
Yo.
I got a question, bro.
Yeah, what is your question, bro?
If your gal and your mama switch bodies, and the only way to get them back in their bodies was to fuck one of them, who are you fucking?
Listen.
You don't know?
I probably wouldn't care about getting any of them if I have to fuck one of them.
So you just gonna let him? You just,
I'm not finding myself a new girlfriend.
all right, bro. Shut up.
Hey, what up, buddy? Hey.
You nigga look like a Ninja Turtle.
You good?
Yeah. Hi.
I got a question. Yo. Anyways, you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I got a question. If
What?
if your dad and your husband switch bodies, and the only way to get them back in their bodies was to fuck one of them, who are you fucking?
I don't fuck with my dad, so none.
So nobody.
Nobody.
They gonna have to stay in each other's body.
Yeah. I don't give a fuck.
Yo, what's good, gang?
Bro, tell me why a nigga tried to plug it for me, bro. And I told him where you located, and then fuck nigga told me, he was like, what are you talking about, bro? You trying to get my low, nigga? Started pressing up on me. I'm like, bro, how you gonna deliver to me if I don't know if you're in the same city or state, nigga?
God bless his soul.
What?
Yo,
I can get nasty. Can you do an edit? Like those things.
damn. Yo, can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? If your dad and your husband switch bodies and the only way to get them back in their bodies was to fuck one of them, who are you fucking? Alright, look, son, so the rest of this clip is basically where y'all can't hear her because my phone was down and I didn't realize I turned it down. So I'm going to just skip to when I turn it up. So, yeah. Twin?
Bomber clap.
Hey, bro, I need somebody to cheer me up, bro. Because I'm just so depressed, bro. My cousin got hurt up by ice.
You said what?
My cousin got ran over by an ice cream truck.
How'd that happen to him?
Are you laughing, bro?
Nah,
Bro,
fool.
he was pretty fat. He was pretty fat, bro. He
Yeah.
says he's autistic. He said he wanted some ice cream. Are you laughing?
Nah, bro. I ain't laughing, cuz. I'm not laughing, bro. I'm not laughing. Bro, I'm not laughing. I'm just fried. I'm not laughing.
Bro, like,
cut up to the ice cream truck and ran in front of me. What is going on?
Yo.
Oh, he's a nonchalant dreadhead. Damn, he fine.
Why your nose bigger on the right side?
Wait, hold on. Let me measure, twin. Hold on. Damn.
You bad though.
But yo, I got a question.
Let me bring him.
What's good?
What's your question?
I got a question, bro. Okay, if yo, and I'm asking you, the dude that I'm seeing right now. If your wife and your mama switch bodies, and the only way to get one of, and the only way to get them back in their bodies was to fuck one of them, who are you fucking?
When I hear my wife's moans,
No,
who's when I hear?
your mama's nigga.
Ew. That's disgusting.
That's terrible.
That's a good question, though, right?
It is.
So who are you?
And if I'm fucking my mom's body, I'm hearing my girl.
No, if you
We're
fucking.
on black folks.
If you fucking your mama, you gonna hear her moans. If you fucking your girl, you gonna hear her moans. No blindfolds, just raw sex. See what you saying back. Okay, you did wrong, but lying about it, I can't accept that. Getting in my feelings, she give me setbacks. Hold on, what it say? They say realize what you got before you lose it. But what I got ain't real, so like really, what am I losing? It's physically. I'm trying to every time
Oh my God, don't cry. Keep it beat, son.
I ain't no bitch. Hello, what part we on, twin?
We on. Get that from my hood.
Sing it, so I can follow on.
Everybody. Oh, okay.
Two wrongs don't make it right. You do me wrong, and I don't.
Yeah.
And she don't understand. He told her enough.
Yeah.
All right, James, what's up, gang?
What's up, bro?
How you been?
Nice. How about you?
I've been all right, bro. You know, just living a life. You feel me? But I recently just got an upgrade to my account on OnlyFans, bro.
Oh, I see.
Got him.
Yeah, like I was hitting two big booty bitches, right? And I was like, yo.
Oh, that shit nice. Hold up. Take that video.
So, man, you feel me? Hey, but guess what, gang?
What, gang?
I got a question, right?
Yeah.
If your girlfriend and your mama switch bodies, and the only way to get them back in their bodies was to smash one of them, who are you smashing? Think about it now. Think about it. Hold on. Pause the music to him. Maybe that'll help you think.
So, hold up. Let me turn this down. So basically, I'm basically fucking my mom either way.
No. Look, listen. Well, yeah, but you gotta think about it. If you smashing your mama body, your girl is getting it. But in your POV, you just gotta look at your mama, bro. Right? But if you smash your gal body, you basically just fucked your.
And I would rather not visualize because they might not think they my mom if you think about it like that.
You can always put on a blindfold, man. You see what I'm saying?
Bro.
So who are you smashing?
I'm smashing my girl because it's not really my mom because they wouldn't know it's like I'm their son really type E.
So you smashing your so you smashing your girl body.
Yeah. So I don't gotta be looking like I'm smashing my fucking wall.
Alright, bro. You have a good night, bro. They not like us. 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 This show's gonna be on that stock, nigga. I don't know why you stupid. Go. The audience not dumb. Take your stories how you want. Hey, Drake. Anyways, twin, that was basically the video. No female sport, but who cares? I'll like, comment, subscribe, do all that shit. And if you don't, you already know what time it is, man. I'm gonna suck on your grandmother titty.